What's going on, guys? Brave from NexGen CarGuys. We got an exciting day for you. Mike, tell me what we did.
So we got an engine put in the car, and so coming up next is more or less a time lapse of us tearing into this thing.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up, matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying Carhartt, car cards to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up, matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up.
So what'd you think about that? Craig's excited. Look at the smile on his face. He's ready for this to go down. So we'll just walk around it one more time, let you guys see. So in the video you didn't get to see the carburetor sitting up here. It's a little dusty from sitting in here for a little while. Was it? It's been 7 months. Is that right? 7 months he's been without an engine in here. So what do you think, Craig?
7 months without a whole car.
Without the whole car, right?
So I mean, like, they're the motor. I mean, I'm just happy to see a motor in it. I mean, right. But anyway, okay. So there's the motor. Then we got the transmission, and I'm not gonna get back under there because you can see the transmission right there. That's nice.
You got a dash back in.
Got a dash back in. Got a heater wired up. The heater works. I'm just figuring out the last part of the wiring.
Got that 3-piece spoiler put on.
Then we got the nice little 3-piece on here, because you know, race car. Thanks, Mike. We don't use these holes anymore, so I'm gonna have them welded up before I get ready to paint the car. We had to drill 2 holes on each, or 1 hole on each side.
I did that.
Yeah, for the other stud.
Did you get them bolted down yet?
Uh,
So this is a factory hole.
That's a factory hole.
And this actually goes right directly into the factory hole.
holes.
So you don't actually have to drill any extra holes for this piece.
But this is the hole that we had to drill.
But this is the one, and it has to be slotted to allow for some adjustment here, because if you look right here, there's a lip that runs this edge, and this sits right down in it. But yeah, we got it measured out. Everything sits in nice. It's nice and flush with the trunk line on the car. So hopefully if we get everything welded up, smoothed up,
That keyhole looks nice.
it's gonna look nice.
But the only other thing, my dad's gonna help fiberglass some stuff, because there's a chip on that side.
Yeah.
And there's the front part of it's cracked a little bit,
Got
which
a
this
little
one
bow
is.
in it.
This one's a little cracked. But the only other thing we gotta do is drill this hole here.
Yep.
And put a screw there, and then the rest of the bolts. But guys, she's getting there. I don't know how much longer it's gonna be, which I really don't care. I want to try to take my time and do it right. But hopefully it'll start soon. But
Let's take a round and show them a few more things real quick.
so Grandpa's idea of wiring, right? So this is battery bulkhead.
So here's
Connectors.
the battery connections here, and then they come through here.
They run down. This is a fuse, and there's a hot wire coming off this side that goes to the other side for a distribution block, pretty much. And this one's gonna be used for the alternator. So we've got
Okay,
two
yep.
of these.
And then everything runs down, comes into the
Core support.
front core support here, runs across, and then right here is his ignition box, and everything comes up out of here, runs over, and then we have another distribution block here.
That's the hot, and this is the ground distribution, pretty much.
Right. And then everything comes up and runs into the car here with new grommets and everything.
And then the coil is mounted here. Grandpa had the idea to hide the wires coming in under.
Yeah, so they
behind
tuck
it.
down
So
behind
they
the
kinda
coil.
tuck behind it, which is pretty nice.
The new ignition coil there. And then on, I don't know if we showed it in the last video, but this is where his fuel is coming in now, guys. And check out how this worked out. It's actually pretty slick. So it comes up, he's got his return, he's got his in, regulators mounted in the fender well. The fuel line comes up, and that's where the brake line came through, is it not?
No.
Is this not the factory brake line hole? Okay, that one's down here then, ain't it?
But anyway, so this is the return. This is the feed in. That's the reason why this one's cut off, where
Okay.
this one goes.
And
this
I
way,
noticed you
that's the
put
feed in.
AN fittings on it.
Yeah, you use for guys wanting to do this. These are Earl's fuel line to AN fittings.
Okay.
And it's basically got a ferrule in them that you squeeze when you tighten them down.
Awesome.
But that's return. This is feed in. It goes through the regulator, and this is feed out to the carburetor.
Which on his car is on this side, on the passenger side. So then the line will come in, everything will have a nice fitting on it. It'll come in,
Well,
it's gonna be super nice.
Off.
Yeah, it'll be cut off, and
It's gonna have AN connector and then a 90.
there's that new SVE starter down there.
Show off my story.
That's just because you didn't want to get under there to do it. I had to.
But anyway, so I guess the next thing I'm gonna start doing is trying to put front accessories back on it. And,
Look how good it looks. He made me get over here and trim all this excess gasket off.
I didn't make him.
No,
I said
you did.
I wanted to do it.
You
but
made me.
I was busy doing other stuff.
Just admit it. He was like, "Hey, cut that."
Um,
But yeah, I'm glad, dude. It's turned out really nice.
I can't wait to hear it fire up.
It's awesome when a plan comes together, ain't it? So, but yeah, so here's just a good shot for you guys to take it all in. I think he's finally super excited now. So, but yeah.
We're gonna have to fire it up like.
Oh,
next
and
week.
he got new
Straight.
struts and stuff from me, so it should ride good now too.
Well,
At least better than it was.
I was supposed to trade you a clutch,
That's okay.
so now I guess I kind of like owe you something.
It's okay. I'll get it out of you when I have to work on something. I need somebody to. I get labor out of you. It'll be all right.
I charge $80 an hour.
So yeah.
But anyway, guys, that's the motor in the car. Long 7 months.
Yeah.
Here's to like 3 more months before.
So
it
down in
gets-
the comments, let us know what you think. Hey, add some insight in. We like ideas and stuff. But yeah. We appreciate each and every one of you guys that watches the channel and the support you guys give us. There's definitely going to be some more videos coming on this car here as we progress with it. And yeah.
As we say always, I mean, we hadn't posted many videos. We've been busy. I mean, obviously I've been busy on this. He's been busy with his own thing.
So,
but we're getting there.
We're hoping we got some cool things coming here for too long. So we're going to keep that hidden though.
Also, I don't know if this is making it to Ford Takeover this year, but we'll see.
We're going to try, but we'll see. All right, guys. Once again, take care. Appreciate everybody watching.
I'm
Craig. I'm Mike.
That's not Mike.
Take care.